7 most advanced military robots in the world. We've all heard of ordinary household robots, haven't we? However, there are several other types of robots, one of which is military robots. Military robots are considered to be among the most advanced robots in the world. The United States military has consistently been involved in the creation of advanced military technology, and one of its most well-known breakthroughs is the advancement of military robots. Few autonomous unmanned robots have been built for support purposes rather than border neutralization. Let us now go over the fundamentals of military robots, including the various types of military robots, before moving on to the main theme of this video: 7 most advanced military robots in the world. Hello and welcome back, guys. Let's start today's video by learning what a military robot is. So what exactly is a military robot? A military robot is a self-contained or remote-controlled mobile robot designed specifically for military uses. For example, searching, transporting, rescuing fellow soldiers, and even countering the enemy troops. Airborne military robots, bomb disposal robots, iRobot, and unmanned ground combat vehicles are the 4 different types of military robots. Do you want to know how these robots function? Now that we've covered the concept of a military robot, as well as the various types of military robots, let's take a look at how military robots work. Human beings are constructed of 5 essential aspects at the most basic level. These aspects are a skeletal structure, a muscular system to move the body structure, a sensory system that gathers input about the body as well as the surroundings, a source of power to trigger the muscle tissue and sensor systems, and finally, a brain system that handles sensory data and notifies the muscle groups what to do. A robot, too, is formed of similar elements. A standard military robot includes a movable physical element, a specific type of motor, a sensor system, a power source, and a computer brain that controls all of these components. Overall, military robots are man-made additions of living creatures, machines that mimic animals and humans' behavior. Because of the computer attribute, robots differ from other moving machines such as cars. Robots are physically distinct from regular computers in that they do not have a physical existence connected to them. Now that we've examined the working mechanisms of military robots, let's take a look at the 7 most advanced military robots to keep an eye out for. Let's get this started right away. Number 1. Centaur. So Centaur is the first one we have. Endeavor Robotics created it before being obtained by FLIR Systems in February 2019. It is an armored warfare that is capable of detecting, verifying, determining, and getting rid of hazards such as minefields, explosive materials, homemade bombs, and maneuvering forces. Centaur is a medium-sized autonomous surface vehicle that can be controlled remotely. It is an open interior designer robot made up of a conventional chassis, linked with various sensors and payloads to assist future and current combat activities. This man-portable robotic system Increment I solution is fully IOP compliant. The robot's military implementation is used by the explosive ordnance disposal teams. Number 2. MUT. The Multi-Utility Tactical Transport, or MUT, is next on the list. It was created by the General Dynamics Land System. It is a UGV that accompanies soldiers while transporting their equipment. MUT is also useful for transporting wounded soldiers during combat. Other soldiers are not concerned about transporting their co-workers in the midst of a combat operation. The MUT was designed in such a way that it can easily transform to accommodate the new payloads, control systems, and levels of independence. Military personnel can probe an area ahead of humans by using a wireless router MUT. It can also be used to launch weapons. The United States military has agreed to purchase 5,700 robots from General Dynamics Land System by 2024. The MUT is available in 2 configurations, wheel and tracked. This self-driving combat vehicle is offered in 3 sizes, tracked, 6x6, and 8x8. The 8x8 MUT measures 12 inches in length and 60 inches in width. It can transport up to 1,200 pounds and travel up to 60 miles on only 1 tank of gas. Isn't that incredible? Number 3. Dogo Robot. The Dogo Robot is the 3rd one on our list. This is among the best potential military robots that make use of cutting-edge military technology. It is a cutting-edge tactical combat robot wearing body armor with a 9mm Glock pistol to function as a wartime watchdog for troops. It is the Earth-based equivalent of the ubiquitous warfighting drone, designed by General Robots. Dogo's weight of approximately 26 pounds is a plus. The lightweight makes it easy for a fully armed commando to transport with a signal hand. The Israeli Police Counterterrorism Unit and the Defense Ministry's R&D Directorate contributed to the development of this fantastic anti-terrorism robot. It has a battery capacity that is sufficient for a 2 to 5 hour quest. This robot has 8 cameras that support a 360-degree radius. It even includes a completely loaded Glock 26 pistol and Picatinny rail-mounted gadgets. When managed to carry on the rails, the device provides various non-lethal effects such as a pepper spray module or a laser blaster that partially blinds an attacker from a distance of 5 to 10 meters. Number 4. Saphir. Next on the list is Saphir, which stands for Shipboard Autonomous Firefighting Robot. It is a 143-pound military robot that stands 5 feet 10 inches tall. It was created by Virginia Tech researchers. It is among the most advanced unmanned robots ever created, utilizing cutting-edge military technology. The ultimate goal of Saphir is to put out fires that start on warships. The only flaw in this military robot is that it's unable to stand without a tether, despite being capable of taking the necessary steps and handling a fire hose. For the time being, the movements are controlled by humans. Its unique frame design provides a preternatural range of motion for maneuvering in tight spaces. The ultimate goal of Saphir is to collaborate with Navy officers rather than replace them. It is equipped with infrared stereo vision sensors and a movable laser that allows it to see into dense smoke. Isn't that incredible? Number 5. Themis. The Themis is the 5th item on the list. Themis is the acronym for Tracked Hybrid Modular Infantry System. It is a multi-role unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, intended to decrease the number of soldiers on the battleground. The good news is that the robot has an open architecture and can be outfitted with light or heavy automatic weapons, 30mm autocannons, 40mm grenade launchers, and anti-tank missile systems. It contains a remote-controlled defense system that self-stabilizes. This system has high accuracy over large areas and can operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Miller Robots created Themis and performed a presentation for the Italian Army in November 2020. It has been managed to acquire by 9 countries, 7 of which are NATO allies. In November of 2020, Irvin GQ, an aerial delivery system company, created the ATAC's customizable multi-role airdrop mechanism, which can deploy Themis into fields of battle or dangerous conditions. Number 6. Bug Drones. Bug drones are manufactured by BAE Systems and UAV Tech. These really are small monitoring drones that are next on our list. It comprises one of the most advanced military robots of the coming years, weighing only 196 grams. The amazing thing is that these unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are about the size of a mobile phone. It has a decreased image profile and is undetectable. These military robots have transmitters with a range of 2 kilometers and a battery capacity of up to 40 minutes. It has 4 strong propellers that can hold the bug flying in a 50 miles per hour gale. Despite their compact size, these drones can operate at wind speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour. It also has an elevated image sensor that will soon be capable of recognizing infrared light. The United Kingdom purchased 30 of these drone technology in December 2020 with a £66 million expenditure announced by the Ministry of Defense for robotic projects. Number 7. Guardbot. This is the final one on the list. Guardbot is a monitoring robot that was originally designed for a manned mission to Mars. It can navigate any territory. It even knows how to swim. You can get one of the best potential military robots in a variety of sizes, from as tiny as 5 inches to a prototype that is 7 feet in radius. It includes 2 security cameras, as well as a 25-hour rechargeable battery. This robot's microphones and GPS make it possible to control it via satellite systems and even wirelessly. The excellent thing is that this incredible robot can roll on any landscape, including sand, snow, and dirt. GuardBot is being considered for use in upcoming combat activities. It is still in the early stages of development. It can, however, cost up to $100,000. This concludes the video for today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We hope to see you in our upcoming episodes. Until then, good luck and take care.